Business objectives and ethics. In this module, you will learn about the concept of business objectives and business ethics. Business is an important economic activity which is concerned mainly with production and distribution of goods and services to consumers. Any business has two main objectives, namely economic objectives and social objectives. Let us understand about each of these objectives in details. Earning profit is not the main objective of business, as is assumed by most of us. The sole objective of business rather includes earning reasonable profit, which is adequate enough to enable the business to cover the costs and the businessman to lead a comfortable life. Business supplies goods and services to society and thus creates consumers. Using available resources, sufficient goods and services are produced for the consumers through business. Changes are made in the products by adopting newer technologies. Consumers get to know about the products through advertisements. Business produces and supplies goods and services that are required for the development of the nation's economy. A single business provides employment to many people and pays them fair salaries to assist in improving their standard of living. Business contributes to the economy of the nation by paying rates, taxes, and custom duties. Business also contributes its share in social welfare by running schools, colleges, hospitals, and also by maintaining public parks. Business ethics refers to the principles that are required to be followed by the business enterprise or traders while supplying goods and services to consumers. Business ethics concerns itself with the relationship between business objectives, practices, and techniques, and the overall welfare of society. When supplying essential commodities, traders are supposed to keep a marginal profit to cover their costs. Unfortunately, greed and profiteering has already entered into business. To earn extra profit, some antisocial practices are followed by the traders. Some of them include manufacture and sale of adulterated goods, sale of goods at abnormal rates, using false weights and measures, creating fake scarcity by holding back goods and carrying out black marketing. Such business practices are unethical because the consumers suffer countless miseries. To protect consumers from such miseries, the Government of India has introduced public distribution systems. The main objective of these systems is to supply essential commodities at fair prices. To maintain the standards of essential commodities, the Indian government has started an institution called Bureau of Indian Standards. Goods and commodities have an ISI and EG mark printed on them to certify their quality. It is legally mandatory in India that every industrial product must have a seal on its cover pack, the date of manufacture, date of expiry, and maximum retail price or MRP. Let us now recap all the important points that we have covered in this module on business objectives and ethics.